Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you what goes into actually creating one of these discrete calculators. It's very similar to creating calculators that rely on continuous functions. You've got a little button here instead of add calculator, I think on the last one. This one is add data set, because what you're going to do is create these, you're going to enter these data points here. So we'll call it my data set, and we'll save it. Looks like we need to actually click it. Okay, so here's the name, my data set. And then this is where you define what your X and Y axis is. So if we say, let's say the X axis is seconds, and, or wait, the X axis will be time, and Y-axis will be distance, and we'll say the units are seconds, and in distance it's going to be feet. Okay, and then here, data points, you just start entering in values. So we'll say 1 equals 10, next line 2 equals 20, 3 equals 30, 4 equals 40, and we'll get a little, I want it to be a straight line. We'll do something a little bit off the beaten path, and we'll say 5 equals 100. So we've entered our data points. You can enter as many data points as you want. One data pair per line. Save the thing. And if you want to test that it works, you come over here. Because remember, this is what the user is actually going to see. So the first thing I would do is I'd maybe enter actually one of the data points. So we'll enter 2. And you'll see the distance is 20 feet. Or if we enter 1.5, we probably will see 15 feet. And then, of course, if we do something like 4.5, I don't even really know what that's going to do. But the calculator does, it's going to be 70 feet. And that makes sense because there's 60 between the two. Half of 60 is 30, 30 to 40 is 70 feet. So just use a simple straight line interpolation, again, when you enter a point here that isn't specifically one of these points. And that is how you create a data set.